What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to remove the top engine cover on my 2010 Porsche Cayman. It should be pretty straightforward. The only tools you're going to need are a 3/8 ratchet, an extension, and then a T25, I believe, or T20 Torx bit. So here you can see the engine cover. All you have to do is we're going to wedge some plastic trim removal tools. And we're going to pry up here, and then this carpeted cover should lift right off. And then below it there's going to be a heat shield with several Torx bolts. So I like to use a couple towels on this edge. This is that shitty plastic coated trim. If you put a little pressure or too much pressure on it, it's going to damage the trim. So this pops up. Might have to leave the tool in here to keep it propped open. Do the same on the other side. You can probably tell I've already marred this shitty plastic trim already. So once you lift this up, it kind of pops this way towards me, and it comes right off. Now that we have the heat shield revealed, we have 5 T30, I said T20 or T25 bolts, but there's one here, one in the center, one there, and one there. With all the bolts removed, should be able to just pop the engine cover off. I pop it from the rear section first, just because there's some foam right here that kind of goes under. So once you pop it out from underneath the foam, ow, shit, it should just pop right out. And there it is. It's so filthy.